Hi, welcome to this Red House Kitchen. Today we're making popcorn chicken, 盐酥鸡. Here are all the ingredients you need. You can find the full recipe on my blog. Start by cutting the chicken into chunks. Avoid making them too small as they can dry out easily when fried. Put them into a bowl and marinate with cornstarch, flour, light soy sauce, garlic, 5-spice, baking soda and water. Mix everything well, then let it sit for 15 minutes. For the coating, combine cornstarch and flour. Take one piece of chicken, roll it around until fully covered. Then gently shake off any excess flour. Place it on a dry plate and repeat with the rest. Pour oil into a wok or a fryer. Put in Thai basil leaves. Make sure they are completely dry to avoid splattering. Then turn on the heat. Once the leaves turn shiny and crisp, transfer them out and set aside. Carefully add the chicken pieces, one at a time, without overcrowding the wok. Fry them until lightly golden and crispy. Fish them out. Continue heating the oil so the temperature comes back to high. Then fry the chicken a second time until the crust turns a rich golden brown. Transfer everything to the plate with fried basil. Mix a little salt and 5-spice powder. Then sprinkle over the hot chicken. Serve right away to enjoy the perfect crunch, aroma, and juicy meat. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.